Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Cassidy Faye, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I've been styling my hair lately. Yes, this is my go-to. It's just super girly, just gives you that approachable and just happy energy, at least for me. Like this hairstyle, this is cute, this is like baddie energy. Like, yeah, she's cute, she's getting ready to post a picture for Instagram and like no one's touching her, like, period. But then I like the, you know, I'm approachable, I'm happy, I'm cute, I'm giving you those positive feminine vibes that everyone's attracted to, you know? So that's how I feel about this hairstyle, at least. So I did a little TikTok of how I style my hair, but I felt like I should just give you guys a more in-depth video just because I like this hairstyle enough to go deeper and really show you guys step by step and everything it takes. So we finna get started. The first thing I like to do is make sure I have this mirror in front of me, as always. I know I need to clean it. So my makeup is the same as I do all the time. If you care about how I do my makeup, then you should click on my, I think it's my photo ready video. I think the only true difference is my lips, and this time I used Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is like a gloss, but it gives you this matte feel, like you can tell it's stuck on your lips, it's not going anywhere, and I love that. It's in the color Allison, A-L-L-I-S-O-N, liquid lipstick. I love it. Okay, so now that we have that out the way, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I do my hair. So my hair is freshly washed, and usually I don't like to do this hairstyle when my hair is freshly washed. For some reason, I don't know, it's just like, because I use product on my hair and I don't like to use product until later on. So I'm taking a piece of my hair, we're not parting it too deep. I like to use a rat tail and just kind of like do a little swoop. I don't do like a straight line, I just kind of swoop it around, so it gives that like round shape. Then I just push my hair back. The rest of this needs to be in the ponytail. There we go. Okay, so we got our hair. I just put it behind my ear, and I'm just gonna take this and just put it in a loose little bun, just so that it's just sectioned off, like it's just out of the way. And now any pieces that are like sticking out, you need to curl that, because we really want, like, I guess we call them wispy edges these days. I've been curling my edges crazy like this for a while now, but yeah, you just want to take it behind your ear. Let's make sure you don't have too many pieces in front of your ear, because we just don't want that. So we got our little bit hanging in the front, and we're just gonna pin it back. And then all I do is just take the pieces that are sticking up and I just curl them. I curl my little side piece a little. Nothing crazy. Alright, so now that we got that out of the way, that was the hardest part. Now we're going to take this hair that we pulled back, we're going to include the pin back piece, we're going to include that into the ponytail. This is a small amount of hair. We're not taking too much. As you can see, you can kind of see a part here, so we're starting here and pulling up. We like to leave the side pieces down, and the key is to make sure your ponytail isn't too high, but you don't want it too low either. So I would try to, if anything, just aim for lower rather than higher, because when it's lower you can kind of tighten it and pull it up, but when it's too high there's nothing really you could do about it. So there we go. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Now we're on to the fun part where we make our edges look really fun and happy. So I don't want to put too much heat on my hair because like I said, I just straightened it last night. So we're going to straighten our edges, or wispy up our edges at 350. So not necessarily our edges, whatever you want to call them. You can curl them however you move the curling iron is how your edges are gonna curl. So it's actually really fun. And I like my hair to stick out. Like, I like messy, sticking up everywhere kind of hair. So there we are. Our edges are crazy as we love. Close up here. Period. Okay, and of course we're gonna get some flyaways that aren't so cute. You just gotta push those back where they need to go. I really like this. I'm very happy. Next, we're gonna take our edge brush. This is for, you know, the girls who really like their edges to be slick. I'm not gonna do too much because, like I said, I just washed my hair. This is probably the worst time to film this, but also the best because it's clean and it just looks fresh. But I hate putting edge control on freshly washed hair. I hate it. So we're just going to take a little bit of this edge fixer. It is in the scent Watermelon. This is the edge control that Sweetie collabed with. It's by Kiss. I hate it. So I'm taking my edges that are just naturally laying on my head, and I'm going to go with that first and lay that down first and foremost. Because those are the easiest to work with. You know what, sis? I'm sorry. I'm not gonna lay my edges like I said. I just simply, like, I can't make myself do it. When my hair is clean, it just needs to stay clean as long as possible. I'm taking the little pieces of my edges that I feel like I didn't get as straight in the front. But you guys really get the gist. Now, only thing I would say is, like, since I didn't like really lay my edges, like, if you want to go to the root and just slick those down, you can slick that down so that it just lays flatter at the root. But I kind of like it being messy, and then some days I'll lay my edges. It just depends on the day. But I really like how it looks right now, so I'm not even gonna do much else to it. But this edge control is amazing, so if you want to, you can totally go for that. Yeah, guys, I'm so sorry I didn't lay my edges for you, but I think you guys get the gist of it. And yeah. Okay, so that concludes this video. I hope that it was helpful to someone. Super simple. Like, I kind of like messy hair, so messy hairs, they still take effort, but they're also like effortless all at the same time. So it wasn't a lot to this, but someone's gonna love it, and someone's gonna appreciate it, and someone's gonna love me for posting it. And so I just gotta do my due diligence for those of you who care. I love doing this. I love going out in this hairstyle. I just love it. So I hope you guys like it too. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure you like this video if you really liked it. Also, subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. There's so much more coming, and you'll definitely want to stay tuned for that. Love you guys so much, and have an amazing day, night, whatever. Bye.